How to fix Android device Face ID disabled or not available error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you're seeing a Face ID disabled or Face ID not available error in your device. So without further delay, let's get started. So this error typically caused by the hardware, software or any other glitches in your device, and here's how you can fix it. The first option is to restart your phone. Restarting your device fixes the temporary glitches in the face recognition system, so try to restart your device and check whether your problem can be solved or not. If not, look for the system updates. Open up settings in your device. Scroll down, tap on system, and here tap on software updates. Make sure to install and download all of the pending updates. They often include fixes for your biometric or face recognition issues. After that, go back and check. If that still does not help you, then re-register for your face recognition. Delete your recent or current face recognition settings and set up your face again. For that, again, you have to head towards the settings in your device, and under settings, head towards the security. And under security, go for the facial recognition system. There you have to tap on remove the face data if you have already set it up. Then tap on add face data and add your new facial setup and follow the instructions. After that, if your problem is still not solved, ensure that your front camera is working properly and check for the face recognition settings as well. If that is disabled, make sure to enable it by going through your settings again on the biometrics and security. Go to face recognition and enable it and properly configure. If that still does not help you, then you have to reset your app preferences. Again, head over to the settings, and under settings you have to go to the system again, head towards the reset options, and here tap on reset app preference. Here this will not delete your data, but it will restore all of your default application settings, and that may help you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.